If you're not using AI to make money in 2026, you're already behind. Right now, complete beginners with zero experience are making money online. And the craziest part, most people are still sleeping on this opportunity. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 AI side hustles that are actually working right now. And if you stay till the end, I'll show you the easiest one to start even if you have no skills. Let's be honest, most people want to make money online, but they get stuck. They think, I don't have skills or it's too late. So instead of starting, they scroll. They watch videos and save ideas, but they never take action. And slowly, they fall behind. But AI just changed everything. Now you don't need to be an expert or have years of experience. You just need to know how to use the right tools. The first way people are making money with AI is content creation. You can use AI to write scripts, generate voiceovers, and design thumbnails. Basically, AI does most of the work for you. People are creating YouTube channels and TikTok pages, earning through ads, affiliate marketing, and brand deals. This is one of the fastest ways to start because you don't need money to begin. Faceless channels are blowing up right now. The second method is AI automation services. Businesses today want one thing: save time and increase efficiency. You can automate things like replying to messages, writing emails, customer support, and social media responses. You learn simple AI tools, then offer services to businesses. For example, helping a small business automate daily messages. This is where people are making $500, even $1,000 plus per month. Most businesses don't even know how to use AI properly. The third method is creating and selling digital products using AI. You can create ebooks, Notion templates, and mini courses. AI can write your ebook and structure your content. Instead of spending weeks, you can create something in hours. Once you create it, you can sell it again and again. That's called passive income. Imagine making $100 daily. The opportunity is real. The tools are available. But most people will still overthink, procrastinate, or ignore it. A small group of people will take action and win. So the question is, are you going to watch or actually start? If you want step-by-step guidance, make sure to subscribe, because I'll be breaking all of this down in future videos.